Hey guys, it's Lily Pad Polish, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a haul for you guys. So if you've watched a few of my recent videos, then you might have heard me talk about Beauty BigBang because they've sent me a few of their products in the past and I've always loved them, so I was especially excited when they decided to send me a whole bunch of stamping goodies, and I figured why not make a video out of it, because when I was unpackaging these I was so shook, and I never use the word shook, but I was shook because these stamping plates are gorgeous, and I would love to hear what you guys would like to see from me in terms of like what tutorials I should do using these stamping plates. So definitely let me know down in the comments below. But before we get into it, as always, if you guys have seen me talk about Beauty BigBang, then you know that you can use my coupon code LILYPAD for 10% off your order if you're interested in any of the products that I'm showing you today or anything else that you might find that you like off of their website. And all details will also be down in the description box below, along with links of everything that I'm going to be showing you guys also. So if you guys want to know what these awesome goodies look like, then just keep on watching. So this first product is actually something that you guys might have seen in a previous video, because they did send me a stamping holder slash organizer booklet before, and it looks just like this. I did talk about it in another video, so whichever video that is, I can't remember right now, I'll have it up in the right hand side in the cards. But as you can see, these are the ones that I had originally, and they're full of Bundle Monster stamping plates because that's basically all I own. But as you can see, this larger one is super full, and I really only have like about 3 pages left, so I was super happy that they decided to send me another one because they sent me a ton more stamping plates to my collection. So let's just get started with this small one. This is the only square one that they sent me. The other ones are the extra large ones, as you can probably tell. And I love the packaging. I haven't seen a company do this before, but I was so in love when I first saw it because it's so cute and it matches the stamping plate inside, and I don't know, I just thought it was a real cute detail. But anyway, as for the actual stamping plate, it is also very cute. It is Pride themed, which I thought is such an awesome idea, and it came just in time because pretty recently one of you guys requested that I do a Pride manicure, and I was planning on doing it anyway, but now that I have the stamping plate, that tutorial will definitely be coming soon, so keep your eye out for that one. But anyway, these next stamping plates are the XL stamping plates, so they're a little bit larger than the last one, but this first one that I'm showing you is obviously sea themed. Again, the packaging is so cute, but these stamping plates are even cuter. As you can see, it is a really sea themed. There's seashells and things like that, but it's also really summery with the fruits. And that last one was XL001. So this next one, it's a little bit more of a girly stamping plate, and this one is XL005, and it's really dainty and intricate type of stamping plate. So then this next one is another really pretty girly type of stamping plate, but I really like this one. There are so many things that I can do with this one. This one is XL004, and it's just really pretty. That one on the bottom really reminded me of like The Great Gatsby, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you guys caught that one. But then this one is one of my favorites. It's like a geometric type of stamping plate. This one is XL006, and there are so many things that I can do with this one. I am super excited to use it. And then this one, it's really springy. I will definitely be using this one a ton. I love the flowers and the butterflies and the little tree in the corner. This one is also one of my favorites, and this one is XL003. And this one, the packaging, how adorable. There's like crabs and stuff on it, really like sea creaturey, and this one I think is my favorite, and I don't know if it's because I'm in the summer mood, but this one is so pretty. And this next one is by far #1 favorite out of all of them. and as you can see, there's a cat on it, so it's like a cat stamping plate. And do you see the paws on this stamping plate? And it's obviously not just cats, there's dogs too, and it's just so cute. And then this last one is unicorns, which you guys know I love. So it's just basically all unicorn themed, and this one is actually a vertical, which I thought was interesting. This one is XL007, so I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like vertically so you get a good view of the images. But yeah, those are all of these stamping plates, and I'm just going to be quickly showing you guys how perfectly they fit in this little organizer that's also from Beauty BigBang. So here is the stamping plate holder book organizer, and the sheets are one-sided. There are some other ones that are two-sided, but I find that those keep the stamping plates really tight and it's sometimes hard to get out. So I really like that this one holds one stamping plate per sheet. I think it's really convenient, and obviously because they are made from the same brand, they fit so perfectly, and even the square one fits in this one really nicely as well. Even though it's obviously meant for the XL stamping plates, you can obviously fit the smaller ones if you wish to do so, and it still closes with the tightest clasp on the thing, and it's not that bulky. So I really like this stamping plate holder. I really love the stamping plates. You guys can probably tell because I called probably 90% of these stamping plates my favorite because they're just so nice, and they are perfect for summer, and I'm just super excited to be using them. So as I said in the beginning of the video, definitely leave me some comments down below of what kind of tutorials you would like to see from me using these stamping plates, and just like request for future videos, because I will definitely start uploading a lot more often. If you haven't seen my most recent video, I sort of talked to you guys a little bit about why I haven't been uploading as regularly, but I definitely plan to do so, and hopefully I will be doing that soon. I can't promise right away because school has been super busy, but definitely in the near future I will try to upload super frequently. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy those, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!